Connecting f to f prime. A function's derivative measures the slope of that function. This simple fact can lead to a number of connections between the graph of f and f prime. For now, let's assume that f is a continuous function. Complete each of the following statements for a continuous function f. A. When f prime is positive, it means that f is increasing. When f prime is negative, it means that f is decreasing. When f prime is changing from negative to positive, f is at a minimum value. When f prime is changing from positive to negative, f is at a maximum value. All right, now we're about to take a look at a graph of a first and a second derivative. Which one is f and which one is f prime? So the cubic function one, or the one that appears to be the cubic function one, is the f, while f prime is the one that appears to be a parabola. Notice how the original graph goes from increasing to decreasing to increasing again. In calculus, that translates to f prime being positive, to f prime being negative, to f prime being positive again. When your derivative changes from positive to negative, you hit a maximum value. When your derivative changes from negative to positive, you hit a minimum value. Now let's take a look at f prime. When analyzing a first derivative graph, you always want to think in terms of what part of the graph is above the x-axis and what part of the graph is below the x-axis. So my derivative is positive where it's green, and my derivative is negative where it's red. So anytime your derivative goes from positive to negative, you have found a maximum value. And your maximum value corresponds to where I'm pointing at -2. At x is equal to -2 on your original graph, there should be your max. So if your derivative goes from negative to positive, in this case going from red to green, that means you have reached a minimum value on f. And x is equal to 2 corresponds to where the minimum is reached on f. So those are the main connections that you have to make between your f and f prime graphs. My next video, I will be connecting f prime to f double prime, and then also f double prime all the way back to f. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I have plenty of videos, all math videos. You can find me on YouTube. Just search BJ Jeffries.